Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Tropical update number 32. Today is Friday, August 13th, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. This will probably be the last update until Sunday night. I probably won't be able to get one out tomorrow, Saturday. If I do, cool. Maybe one late Sunday night, and we'll see. Anyways, I'm busy and traveling the next 3 days. But nonetheless, we now have two tropical cyclones to watch. Tropical depression Fred, now over central Cuba, going to be making its way just wide of the Florida Keys, just wide of Key West is the name of that key. Likely regaining tropical storm strength, making its way just outside of the Big Bend before making landfall. 60 miles an hour landfall expected there. Tropical storm watches and warnings in effect. Tropical depression 7 formed today, making its way towards the Leeward Islands, where tropical storm warnings are in effect. Tropical storm watch for Puerto Rico, then basically following in Fred's footsteps through the Dominican Republic, Cuba, and then potentially even the United States. Beginning with Fred, we see much better convection today, still very disorganized. I don't have it in motion because, again, I'm traveling. It's hard to get good Wi-Fi in the middle of the country of New York. But alas, here we are. 17th advisory, watches and warnings, as you can see there. Thunder, if you heard that, because there's a severe thunderstorm near me right now. Again, it's going to be making its way towards Florida. You can see the most likely time of arrival for tropical storm force winds here. 3 to 5 inches, isolated 8 for much of Florida. We can see the map down below, 6 inches in those orange areas, 4 inches in those yellow areas, 2 inches in the dark green. So again, lots of rain expected throughout much of Florida. 2 to 5 isolated 8 for Cuba, 1 to 3 isolated 5 from the Bahamas. Another look at your watches and warnings down there in the center of the screen. Taking a look at the ensemble members, we can see the European ensemble taking the storm generally towards the Florida-Alabama border. That's around where we're looking. We see the spaghetti models much the same on the far western side of the Florida Panhandle, not bringing the storm up to hurricane strength, potentially mid-grade tropical storm by the time it makes landfall in the Florida Panhandle area, or potentially, of course, Alabama. Tropical depression 7, much the same way. Tropical storm warnings in effect for Antigua, Barbuda, Anguilla, St. Kitts and Nevis, Montserrat, Saba, Sint, Eustatius, St. Maarten, and St. Barthelemy. Tropical storm watches for the British Virgin Islands, U.S. Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico. Again, we'll continue to watch this storm, and it basically follows Fred. Much better convection with this, much more together, and for that reason, we could see decently strong storm out of this, perhaps a hurricane strength system. That's certainly not out of the question. Not explicitly called for, not huge model support, but nonetheless, we'll see. So land interaction, of course, can play a huge role. If it goes to the north, hurricane strength is certainly possible north of Hispaniola and Puerto Rico, that is, but we'll see exactly what happens there. And that's what the European shows. But if we take a look at this Big Eddy models there, that takes it right through Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and even Cuba. And so the odds of survival for a storm that spends that much time over land is not that great. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for now. Chris, thanks for the Catholic Media.